morning, students. Last time we had done up to lesson 14. Lesson 14 was simple present tense. Simple present tense we had started and finished up to the last exercise. Now let us start with lesson 15, simple past tense. Now simple past tense means when we use the tense to express an action which has been already done. Right? There we use past tense. Now let us start it. Simple past tense. Abhijit sang well. Now the activity of singing has already happened. It is not going on just now. So we used past tense of sing, which is sang. We brought new books. Bought new books. Buy ka bought. Then the moon shone brightly. The verbs in these sentences are in simple past tense. In the simple past tense. Simple past tense form. Positive statements, simple past tense of the verb with all subjects. Negative statements, subject did not plus root form of verb. Abhijit did not sing well. The moon did not shine brightly. Right? Short form did not is shortened as didn't. Right? Yes no questions did not. ठीक है, नॉट ऐड करते हैं येस नो क्वेश्चंस में did plus subject plus root form of verb. Did you attend the concert? Did Abhijit sing well? Questions beginning with question words. That is question word plus did plus subject plus root form of the verb. अगर आप did लगा रहे हो तो रूट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब रहता है, मतलब जो नॉर्मल वर्ब है वही रहेगा, उसका पास्ट टेंस फॉर्म नहीं होता है. व्हेन डिड द कॉन्सर्ट स्टार्ट, स्टार्टेड नहीं आएगा यहाँ पे बिकॉज आपने यहाँ पे डिड यूज़ किया है. डिड इज़ अ सपोर्टिंग वर्ब और एन ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब फॉर पास्ट टेंस, सो यू नीड नॉट अटैच ईडी टू स्टार्ट. राइट? हाउ डिड अभिजीत परफॉर्म, परफॉर्म्ड नहीं होता है यहाँ पर. राइट? Simple past tense uses. What are the uses? The simple past tense is used to express actions that took place at some point of time in the past and are over now. I joined this school last month. She received this letter yesterday. It is used to express some past habit. I usually went home on Sundays. Right? So this was a habit in past tense. It is also used to express actions that began and ended in past. I spent my childhood at Dehradun. अब childhood ख़त्म हो गया है, मैं बड़ी हो गई हूँ. राइट? तो this activity is not in progress just now. It has already happened. तो उसको डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए भी past tense यूज़ होता है. I lived at Dehradun from 2004 to 2009. When we express some past habit, we often use words like usually, generally, everyday, always, never, often, sometimes with the simple past tense. Now forms of verb. In different tenses we use different forms of verb. For example, in simple past tense we use the past tense of the verb. We shall now learn the three major forms of important verbs: present, past and past participle forms. Right? Past participle forms. All these past participle forms you will write one time in your notebook. Right? They are very important. I will read some of them and rest of them you have to read on your own and write it one time in your notebook. Act, acted, acted. Agree, agreed, agreed. Appear, appeared, appeared. Arrive, arrived, arrived. Awake, awoke, awoken. Beat, beat, beaten. Become, became, become. Begin, began, begun. Bend, bent, bent. Bind, bound, bound. Bite, bit, bitten. Bit. Blow, blew, blown. Break, broke, broken. Bride, brought, brought. Build, built, built. Burn, burnt, burnt. Burned or burned. Burst, burst, burst. Buy, bought, bought. Care, cared, cared. Carry, carried, carried. Cast, cast, cast. Cast remains cast only everywhere. Change, change, changed. Choose, chose, chosen. Come, came, come. Compare, compared, compared. Continue, continued, continued. Copy, copy, copied. Cost, cost, cost. Creep, crept, crept. Crow, crowed, crowed. Right? Now one side I have read, other side is still there. Cry, cried, cried. Till, have, had. Hear, heard, heard. Right? All these past tense forms and past participle forms you are supposed to write one time in your notebook. Now next page we will go. hide, hid, hidden, shake, shook, shaken, from that till sew, sewed, sewn, write, wrote, written, right? Now we shall move on to the exercises. Here it is beat. Now give the past and past participle forms of these verbs. This is for oral practice. Beat, beat, beaten, catch, caught, caught. Then shake, shook, shaken. I'll just focus it on the answer key again so that you can copy it down. Otherwise जो भी आपने टेक्स्ट बुक में पढ़े हैं ये past tense forms अभी which I have asked you to write, you will get all the answers in them, right? So that you can do it. Right, further is shake, shook, shaken, build, built, built, strike, stroke, striken, fight, fought, fought, draw, drew, drawn, right? This is all, these are all given here in the text itself जो मैंने आपको लिखने के लिए दिया है. So you can find it, the answers आप यहाँ पे ढूंढो और लिखो, right? So I am giving you to write this in homework. ये सारे forms लिखने हैं. Now I shall move on to the next exercise. That is exercise 2. Fill in the blanks with past tense of the verbs given in the brackets. अब ये verbs जो brackets में दिए हैं उनका past tense आपको करना है. For example, first water dash in the taps, freeze. Freeze का हो जाएगा froze. Then I dash quite hurt, feel का हो जाएगा felt. Past tense बनाना है आपको. The young man dash off the horse, that is fall. Fall becomes fell off the horse. Our aircraft dash over the mountains, fly का हो जाएगा flew. Number 5, a river dash near our house, that is flows. Flowed हो जाएगा ये, it will not become flows, right? Then number 6, we dash these storybooks at a sale, buy का हो जाएगा bought, B-O-U-G-H-T, bought. Then Ravi dash his leg in an accident, hurt. Hurt remains hurt only. Then there is no change. The match dash at 10 a.m. begin का हो जाएगा begun. The stranger dash only French, spoke. Speak का हो जाएगा spoke. Suresh quickly dash the ball to the wicket keeper, throw का हो जाएगा threw the ball to the wicket keeper. Then next is rewrite these sentences in negative form for oral practice. Now I will just speak out the answers for first 3 and focus the camera on the answer key so that you can write it down. First is Sushant knew the correct answer. अब इसका negative बनाना है. तो Sushant did not know the correct answer. Knew का हो जाएगा no. She gave a frank opinion. She did not give a frank opinion. The minister forgot his promise. The minister did not forget his promise, right? Now 4 to 10 you have to write it as homework. You will write this exercise in your notebook. Fill in the blanks लिखने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं. Fill in the blanks यहीं पे लिखो टेक्स्ट बुक में. ये exercise और ये exercise आपको notebook में लिखना है because it's not possible to write here, right? So please write down these 2 exercises, that is 1 and 3 in your notebook. Now I'm focusing it on the answer key. Just note it down. See, 4th वाला है, the fire did not spread to the buildings in the neighborhood. The weaver did not weave attractive patterns. My parents did not forgive my mistakes. He did not forget his study. Mother did not keep the money with her. The moon did not hide behind the clouds. The patient did not sleep soundly. The short form is acceptable, right? Do not ka did not ka didn't is acceptable, right? Now let us move on to the next exercise, that is exercise 4. Exercise 4 में क्या करना है? Sorry, it is here itself. Yeah, again rewrite these sentences in interrogative form for oral practice. Interrogative मतलब आपको question बनाना है. She heard the cries of a child. तो इसका आप इंटरोगेटिव कैसे बनाओगे? फर्स्ट 4 आई विल रीड इट आउट, आई विल मेक द आंसर्स and rest of them you will write it on your own. Did she hear the cries of a child? Did से हमें start करना है, right? Did she hear the cries of a child? The cat drank all the milk. Did the cat drink all the milk? Then Ralph thought of a nice plan. Did Ralph think of a nice plan? They paid the laborer his wages. Did they pay the laborer his wages? Right? Now from 5 to 10 you will do it on your own. I am just focusing it on the answer key so that you can have a look at the answers. Did her mother choose this dress? Did she lend Anubha her books? Did Akhtar break his arm? Did the saint say his prayers? Did Manju send you an email? Did the servant lay the table? Right? So this is done. Now we shall move to the next exercise. That is exercise 5. अगर आपको चाहिए तो आप इसके ऊपर आई एम जस्ट फोकसिंग इट फॉर सम टाइम सो दैट यू कैन पॉज द वीडियो एंड सी इट. 3 पे भी मैंने किया है और 4 पे भी मैंने किया है. आपको चाहिए तो आप यहाँ पे वीडियो को पॉज करके सारे आंसर्स लिख सकते हो. आई एम फोकसिंग इट फॉर 2 to 3 seconds हियर. Okay, nearly 5 seconds I have focused it so that you can write it down, pausing the video. Now let us move on for on the 5th exercise. It is using the question words given in the brackets. Frame questions to watch the following may be the suitable answers. Right? Suitable answers, ये जो statement है वो answer बने ऐसा question हमें इससे form करना है. Raman reached here in the morning. When use करना है. When did Raman reach here? In the morning is the answer. The old man walked slowly. How? How did the old man walk? Mukta received the letter yesterday. When? When did Mukta receive the letter? The tired traveler rested under a tree. Where? Where did the tired traveler rest? He did not come to the school because he was ill. Why did he not come to school? Preeti met my brother. Whom did Preeti meet? Right? वर्ब फॉर्म्स चेंज होते ही आप देखो, मेट का मीट हो गया, ओल्ड मैन वॉकड स्लोली का हो गया वॉक हो गया. राइट? सो वर्ब फॉर्म ऑलवेज चेंजेस व्हेन यू आर चेंजिंग इट इनटू अ क्वेश्चन. अगेन further answers you will do it on your own as homework. I am focusing it on the answer key. I am just pausing it for 2-3 seconds. You can stop the video, pause the video and write down the answers. Right? I'll just read out. 6th one, where did the porter put the box? 7th one, how did the new police inspector work? Why did she give up the job? 9th one is, where did he go for walk? How much did he spend on health care? Right? Now moving on to the, I'll just focus it for 2 seconds again so that you can write down the answers. Pause it if you want and write down the answers. Right? Okay. So now let us move on to the next one. That is the 6th exercise. Complete this dialogue with simple past tense of the verbs given in the bracket. Suruchi, ma'am, who dash Raja Ram Mohan Roy and what dash for India? Who be का form use करना है. So it is who was Raja Ram Mohan Roy and what did what did he do for India? Teacher, Raja Ram Mohan Roy, B का form again use करना है, was a social reformer who lived in the 19th century. He dash to a well-to-do family. belong का हो जाएगा belonged. He belonged to a well-to-do family. As a young man, he dashed for the British and dashed a lot of money. He worked for the British and earned a lot of money. Saurav dash a wealthy landlord like many others. He was a, B का फॉर्म हो जाएगा was past tense में. Right? He was a wealthy landlord like many others. Then teacher says no money dash him not attract. No, money did not attract him or didn't attract him. Short form, right? Didn't attract him. His interest dash in improving Indian people's way of life. His interest lied in improving India's people's way of life. It dash him to see that people of higher caste. It hurt him to see that people of higher caste didn't show respect, didn't show much respect to those below them. Hurt, not show. Women to dash a respectable social status. Women too didn't enjoy, नॉट दिया है इसलिए उसका डिंट हो जाएगा. Didn't enjoy a respectable social status. Now I'll again read out the entire paragraph for your convenience so that you can write down all the answers. Suruchi ma'am who was Raja Ram Mohan Roy, and what did he do for India, right? Teacher, Raja Ram Mohan Roy was a social reformer who lived in the 19th century. He belonged to a well-to-do family. As a young man, he worked for the British and earned a lot of money. Saurav, he was a wealthy landlord like many others. Teacher, no, money didn't attract him. His interest lied in improving Indian people's way of life. It hurt him to see the people of higher caste didn't show much respect to those below them. Hurt. Women too didn't enjoy a respectable social status. Now this lesson is over here. Next is simple future tense, going to the going to form, right? That we shall start it next time. That is lesson 16. We stop here today. Write down all the exercises which I have asked you to write it in your notebook. कौन सी बोली है, and please complete your notebooks because next month we can ask for the submission of your homework notebooks at any time. So please complete your notebooks. Whatever exercises are being given, whatever points are being asked to write in your notebooks, please write them. Yes, it is important because notebooks के marks है और वो हम लोग आपकी नोटबुक्स मंगवा के चेक करेंगे. जैसे पेरेंट्स से पेपर मंगवाते हैं वैसे नोटबुक्स भी मंगवा सकते हैं. मोस्टली नेक्स्ट मंथ ऐसा करेंगे एंड वी विल पुट सम मार्क्स अप फॉर योर नोटबुक्स. सो प्लीज़ कंप्लीट योर नोटबुक्स. इट्स इम्पॉर्टेंट टू कंप्लीट देम. ओके, नाउ वी स्टॉप हियर टुडे.